Fleet maintenance is huge for the city of Montrose because without fleet maintenance, our vehicles start to fall apart. They end up broken down. They end up with really extensive repairs, which create more downtime, which we can't afford, especially with all the emergency response vehicles we have. We have 340 different fleet assets, which range from golf course equipment, police cars, pickups, dump trucks, all kinds of heavy equipment. So each mechanic, which we have 3 of, needs to be versed on all of it. So a typical day could be anywhere from oil changes to emergency trash truck repairs, even repairs out in the middle of the city with a broken down backhoe.
Oh, everything from trash trucks to pickup trucks, police cruisers, backhoes, skid steers, small equipment like saws and compactors, just a lot of different things.
One day I'm working on a chainsaw, the next day I'm working on a dump truck or a motor grader. So small engine, it's gonna be like physically smaller, but also a little bit harder to keep tuned, you know. And then the bigger stuff is like the weight and, you know, the physicality of moving stuff around using the other equipment.
And why do you like being a mechanic? Is it the challenge?
Yeah, no, that's kind of how I fell into stuff, racing motorcycles and working on my own motorcycles, and it kind of evolved from there.
Why do you like being a mechanic? Is it just the figuring out things, putting them back together? Explain that.
Yeah, it's the challenge of, you know, and nothing's ever the same. No day's ever the same. When you come to work, there's always a different challenge, different opportunity to, you know, figure. Sometimes it can also be frustrating, but at the same time, you know, it's that's why I like it. It is definitely challenging.
It's really difficult to have, you know, a shop that does so many different things. Again, we have equipment from a police car to a loader or a trash truck. So we have mechanics have a really wide breadth of knowledge when it comes to equipment, because a lot of shops will specialize in a vehicle or large equipment, but not very many do everything. And we see quite a range. So our mechanics and their training and their abilities is a pretty wide range, and then also our shop is used for a lot of different things. So it kind of goes a long ways to have such a big fleet.